Either way it goes, I'm that girl in this wig. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today we're going to get into this unit. We're going to get right into her because she is giving a moment. She is the main character. I thought I was the main character, but she's literally stealing the show. This is the Bombshell by Freetress, and I have mine in the number 1. So yeah, let me show you guys the quick install portion, and I will see you when it's done. Okay, so we have the curtain bang from Freetress in Bombshell, and I have mine in a 1. I thought I had got a 1B, but I ended up getting a 1. 1 is the jet black. It comes with a little bit of lace. That's literally the parting space. 2 combs on each side, and it also has a comb in the back, and it has adjustable straps. I am going to use the 2 combs in the front for sure, and the adjustable straps. When I first put the wig on, I saw that I needed to push back my wig cap a little bit more just so it can lay more like where a natural hairline would lay, so then the bangs wouldn't be so unframed in my face. So this is me just literally just playing with the wig, trying to get a gist of it because it was definitely something new to me. And as I was playing with it, I realized that it was going to be sliding a lot. So the way that I did the combs is not like, I didn't attach them to my hair how people usually do. So I literally just picked up the wig cap and put it underneath the wig cap and then set it like that. So it's just like a little space between. It kind of gave like a vibe of like a sandwich, how a sandwich is layered. So I did that on both sides. Just to secure the wig a little bit more. Like I said, it was definitely kind of big on my head, and I could have did the straps a little bit tighter, but I didn't want to have my head hurting from the actual straps. So now I'm just gonna go in, and that's me just playing with it, brushing it, trying to get a feel of it because it's definitely something new for me. I usually don't wear my hair like this, so I was just like trying to figure out if I really liked it, which I really do. But we got it together, we're looking good. And then I went and I added some powder in my part. The part was given a little bit of an ashy kind of color. So just so it can just kind of blend in more with my natural scalp of the color that my scalp would be if this was like my real hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the install portion. And I'll let you guys finish and I'll be right back. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the quick and easy install portion. It is not a shake and go. Some people do like cut the bangs and stuff, but I feel like the way my head and everything is shaped, I didn't have to cut any of the bangs, thank God, because I was nervous that I was going to have to cut some of the bangs and like tweak it. But for me, I literally just put it on and fluffed it up, you know, did a little to it, and we're good to go. That's when I like wigs like that. One thing I would say about this is it is long. It is so long, and I know that it's going to tangle, but baby, we came prepared with our brush. And one thing I did was I added some oil to the bottom of it just so it can kind of stay heavy and together. It gives bundle vibes. I would say, like, if you didn't know that this was a synthetic wig, you would probably think that I had like got my like wig cut like this. Like, it's really cute. It's really cute. I haven't experienced shedding, too crazy shedding. You don't really get a lot of shedding with Freetress. I noticed that. That's why I really like their wigs, because you don't get a lot of shedding. And if you don't get a lot of shedding, that's my type of wig. But I really like the face framing. I've been so nervous because I really wanted to do like a face framing look. And I've been so nervous. And I remember I sent it to my sister and I was like, should I do it? Should I buy it? Should I get it? Should I get it? And she was like, girl, get the wig. And we got the wig, and it's a moment. It's giving what it's supposed to. I don't know if I feel like SZA. Then again, I feel like Tina Turner. Then again, I feel like Farrah Fawcett if she was black. Then again, I'm like, either way it goes, I'm that girl in this wig. I like wigs where I can just put it on and I'm good to go and don't gotta do all that extra stuff. It just makes everything so much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.